Hi, I'm Jeff Scott from Sussex Installations. I show you what we've been doing in the workshop. This is our platinum package for the older shape Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Trafic, Nissan Primastar style van. So to start with, the biggest problem seems to be on these vans, this big plastic handle that was on the back as standard here, and people ripping that off the bodywork and reaching in to get at the actual parts inside the door. So what we've done is we've taken that off and we fitted our slam handle. So this is a metal handle blank, and it takes off that big plastic vulnerable handle, and we've also got a slam lock fitted inside the handle blank. And inside this door there's actually a metal plate which covers up on the inside against the vulnerable latch mechanism. This plate's actually not with our package, our plate is internal. This is just something else that's on this vehicle. So how this functions is, as soon as the door is in the closed position, this will be locked, and the customer will need to use his key each time to pop and open the door up, and I'll show you that in a minute. The other thing we've done is we fitted a deadlock. So we fitted a deadlock. This is our T-Series factory approved deadlock, and this is up high on the door. So this is given an extra securing point up the top of the door if someone's to try and start to fold the door down. So that's an extra thing which we fitted on this side door, and it's the same key for this lock as it is for this lock, and it's also the same key for what we fitted on the side door here, which is this lock here. So this is another extra deadlock, factory approved T-Series deadlock. And again, this is quite high up on the passenger side side load door. It's a mid-high position, and the idea is that the manufacturer's securing point is lower down. We've got a securing point up high, so if they do start to fold the door down, we've got an extra securing point. But as part of our platinum package, we also have some alarm additions. So this vehicle actually had a factory fitted alarm fitted to it, and if you're wondering if you've got a factory fitted alarm fitted to your van or not, you can do the test. To do the test, you just simply lock the van, leave it locked for 2 minutes, then use your manual key without unlocking it. So that this is locked, it's been locked for over 2 minutes. Put your manual key in the lock, turn it into the unlocked position, and then pull the door open. And then at that point, if you're hearing an alarm, you're seeing your indicators flashing, you've obviously got an alarm system. Now the factory alarm system for this van, it protects the doors, and it also has some ultrasonic sensors in the cab area here. So if you see these, if you've got these ultrasonic sensors, if you've done the test and you can see that the alarm goes off when you open up the door manually, you'll know that you've got an alarm fitted to it. So what we need to do really with that factory alarm, or what we're doing as part of our platinum package, is giving some extra detection in the actual load area of the van. So this van, if it's unlocked at the moment, basically the manufacturer's lock pickup, the actual switch is down low. Sorry, it's actually here at the front of the door. So if someone was to pull on that door from the top, it's not affecting the factory alarm. The factory alarm does not know that that door has been opened. So we fitted a switch which we fitted up high here. So this is our switch right up the top there. And it just means that if someone starts to pull on that door, pull it out from the top, that the switch can go off quite early, just once it's been pulled a few millimeters really, before a lot of damage has occurred. And then in addition to that, we fitted a PIR in the load area. So this PIR is detecting any movement in the load area. If someone was to come in, if there was to cut a hole through the roof of the van, or if there was to get in, cut a hole through the side of the van, get in anyhow, then this PIR will detect them, so your alarm will go off. So if I just now demonstrate how the deadlocks work as part of the package. Basically the deadlocks, they're just an extra layer of mechanical security, completely separate from the manufacturer's remote. And if the deadlock's on and they try to open up the door, it just opens a few millimeters and the deadlock stops it. So that's that extra mechanical layer of security on the van. And I'll just take that deadlock off now. There's just a bit of pressure pushing against the deadlock where I've tried to open up the door. And on the back door, same thing here. You've got the deadlock up the top there, so it would only stop it opening more than a few millimeters. And we've also got the slam handle in the backs too. So with the slam handle, I have to pop and use that key each time, but because I've opened up the door and the deadlock's actually on, it's just gone a few millimeters. I'll just take the deadlock off now. And all these locks are running off the same key, just to reduce the inconvenience of having so many keys. So key into the slam handle, open up the door. If I close the door, it's already locked by this one, so you have to use the key each time you want to open up the door if you have this lock fitted, but it is a very good security option for this van. Twist, pop, open up the door, close it, and then if you are in a more like in an area where you think that you want to add the extra security overnight, or you're just feeling a little bit more vulnerable, then you can just put the manual deadlocks on, put them in, twist, and that's the lock on. Go around, do the same on the side load door, put it in, twist, and that's your deadlocks on. And then you can do the double lock of your remote control from your factory remote, but also you've got that added security now that you've got this internal, not this one on the outside, but you've got internal shielding that comes with a slam handle, which is stopping the people from attacking the latch mechanism and bypassing your factory deadlocking. Now, if you're looking for security for your older shape Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Trafic or Nissan Primastar, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching.